Hey my loves, I am back with another video. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Today I'm going to cook something real simple, real easy, real quick, But the little thing that I got going on is I will be using Bloveslife Smackalicious Sauce mix and spicy. And I'll be making some chicken wingettes with them. I'll be seasoning with Bloveslife Smackalicious sauce. Yummy. So let's get that started. I am going to wash the chicken right now. I know everybody don't wash their chicken like everybody, but I wash my chicken thoroughly. It takes me a minute. So let me get that done and I will come back to my loves. All right, I'll be back. Okay, my loves, I am back. I have cleaned my chicken. Matter of fact, I am going to get some paper towels to get that excess water out of there. You don't want any crazy water in the chicken. Right? So you're going to get that excess water off the chicken. Whoopsie. Chicken falling off the bowl. Falling off the bowl. Oh my God, what is wrong with me today? I cannot talk. Anywho, so you throw that away. So I'm going to season this with Bloveslife Smackalicious sauce mix, spicy. But I'm also going to put a little onion powder. Extra onion powder on my chicken. And I'm going to put a little more garlic powder on my chicken. I love me some garlic powder and onion powder. Okay. Going to open up the seasoned pack. Now, I'm not cooking these. I'm not frying these. I'm putting these in the oven. Let's see. I think that might be enough. And you just kind of... Boy, that's... that seasoning is strong. Yes, indeed. Bloveslife stuff is strong. It tastes good. Ooh. Now, we'll mix it up. Mix it on up. All right. That is how your chicken is supposed to look. Nice and seasoned. Just like that. Okay? You can put more. You can put less. I am just going to leave it like that. I'm about to wash my hands really good with soap so I can get the pan ready for my chicken to put in the oven. So I'll be right back, my loves. Okay, my loves, I am back. Here is the Pyrex that I'm going to be using for my chicken. I put some foil in it because, well, easy cleanup. So you just get the chicken and just kind of lay it in there one by one. Don't have them too mushed up all close by each other. Give them some space. Depending on how much chicken you're making. And plus, mine's are finds wingettes. Yeah, so I don't have that many. They might all fit in here. They might all fit in here without being squished uppy. Squished uppy. Let's see. Yeah. No squishy uppy. You know what? I should have put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Let me get some. I'll just put it over it. Just need a little so it won't stick. Just drizzle, 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 drizzle. Just a little. Because we don't want them greasy. Yeah, we don't want them greasy. So we're going to put these in the oven on 375. I'm going to say 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on how, like, crunchy and done you like your chicken. Because I like mine done. I mean, like, done. So, and then you're going to just kind of watch them and turn them. And, yeah, so we'll put these in the oven. And then I think I'm going to make some white rice with this. But I'm going to season the white rice with, and see how that is. Never tried it before, but today is the day. I'm going to season my white rice with Bloveslife Smackalicious Sauce. So, be right back. Okay, my love. I am back. And I am about to cook some rice. Some white rice that I have in this little container. It's just me, so I don't need much rice. But I have some butter here and some chicken broth. And then Bloveslife Smackalicious Sauce. So I'm going to put about a cup of rice. Matter of fact, just this whole little container, which it comes out to a cup of rice, actually. So we're going to rinse this rice off, clean it up real good. Rinse it. You know, it's good to rinse your rice. Wash it up real good. Make sure it's nice and clean. Yep, make sure it's nice and clean. You never know what's floating around in that rice. Gotta keep it clean, keep it clean. Yeah. Wash the rice, wash the rice. You never know what's in the rice. Just because it looks like white rice. Okay. Okay. I will be right back, my loves. Okay, my loves. Sorry about that. Sorry I had to bounce for a minute, but it sounded like somebody was at the door. So I had to see who that was. Stop playing, stop playing. Okay, so wash the rice. Put it in the pot. Get a spoon to get it all out. After you wash your rice, you put it in the pot. Get it all in there. I use the same measuring cup to measure the chicken broth. So it's what? 2 cups of chicken broth to 1 cup of rice. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Pour that right on in there. I'm going to put a little water in there. Kind of break that up. Right? Okay. Get you a knife so you can, matter of fact, turn on your stove so that can get to cooking while you're still doing all the rest of the other parts. So you're gonna put, I like my stuff buttery. So it depends on how much butter you like. Me, I'm gonna put that much in there. Can you see that? Put that in there. And while that's cooking, getting ready to cook, we're gonna get Bloveslife Smackalicious. Woo! It's strong. It's because it's the spicy kind. And we're just gonna pour a little bit in there. Maybe about a tablespoon. I'll say a tablespoon. So you kind of eyeball it. Put a little tablespoon in there. There you go. And then you're going to stir that around. And then we're just going to let it do what it do, baby. Let it do what it do. We'll put the top on that. Let that cook. And yeah, I will be right back. I am going to check on the chicken, which is probably not, too far done yet. But yeah, I will come back and let you see the results of the chicken and the rice. Hey, my loves, I'm back and the chicken is ready. Look at there. Look at there. Doesn't that look delicious? And the rice is ready. Woo, see that steam? Oh, that looks delish. I can't wait to eat that. So that is the result of cooking with Bloveslife Smackalicious sauce mix with the chicken and the rice. Where is it? And the rice. So yeah, my loves, that is all I have for you tonight. I am going to grub down. I probably will pair it with some green beans or something like that, some kind of vegetable. But anyway, yeah. Hope you like this video. I want you to subscribe and comment and like the video. Yeah. So I will see you in my next videos, my loves. Bye.